In this next problem, we're going to graph a function. We're asked to graph the function f of x equals x minus 3 to the 4th power minus 2. We're going to do that using our techniques for shifting, stretching, compressing, and reflecting. What we're going to do first is identify that our base function is y equals x to the 4th. And we're going to graph that first. So we'll sketch a little graph. And we'll just plot a couple of points. So for our base function, we know that goes through the origin. That's the point 0, 0. And it goes through the point 1, 1, and also through the point negative 1, 1. So a rough sketch will look like this. A little bit flatter in the middle than x squared, but it has kind of a similar shape to it. Okay. Next, we want to look at using our techniques for shifting, reflecting, and so on to graph this function. Looking at our function up here compared to the base function, we see that we need to do a shift right 3 units from the x minus 3. And then out here we have a minus 2. That's a shift down of 2 units. And what we're going to do is take the 3 points that we've plotted on our graph, and we're going to apply those transformations to those points, and then we'll get a rough graph for our given function. So we'll start with the origin, 0, 0. If we go right 3 units, go 1, 2, 3, down 2 units, then we're at the point 3, negative 2. Take the point 1, 1, we go right 3 units, 1, 2, 3, down 2 units, and we're at the point 4, negative 1. Take the point negative 1, 1, go right 3 units, 1, 2, 3, down 2 units, and that point is 2, negative 1. And we'll graph by connecting our points, get a rough sketch, and there's a graph of f of x.